Hey guys, okay, so we're super excited and we're going to tell you why soon. But my name is Bethel, as you know, and this is.
My name is Stella.
Welcome back to the channel. Tell them what you do.
I'm Stella. I'm a braider. I braid in Houston. So if anyone wants to get their hair done, knotless braid, cornrows, fitting cornrows, whatever style, twist, I do them all.
Okay, you heard her. I'm going to put her Instagram right here, so make sure you go follow her and check out her business page.
Follow me.
Okay, so she's a braider and she wanted something that was like feminine, that would bring out that nice look, and she contacted me, of
Feminine
course.
vibe.
Exactly. She contacted me to help her like decorate her room, and I'm sure you guys can see like a mini clip of it in the background. But we're going to show you guys how we actually did this. She had most of the ideas and I did most of the handiwork. So keep watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, by the way.
Thumbs up. Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. hope you guys enjoyed the video because we had so much fun making this, right? It was really challenging because she was having mood swings when
the floating shell,
it was not working out, and it was really fun. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video. Again, if you want your hair done and you're in Houston, contact her. There's her Instagram right here. Follow me too on Instagram, it's right here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.